Hello everybody, you're watching Tech It's Simple YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can download and install blockchain wallet on your PC. So there is no official app or there is no official software which is released by blockchain. In order for you to download blockchain wallet on a PC, blockchain wallet is only available for Android version. So if you want to use it on your PC, you gotta use a loophole, which I'm going to be showing you in today's video. But before that, a disclaimer, this video is related with crypto and anything related with crypto has its own risk. So if you're living in a country where crypto is banned, or if your crypto's hacked or anything, then we are not liable for that because this video is just for educational purpose. Any risk that comes with crypto, it's upon you, we are not liable for it. Alright? Now with that out of the way, let's hop into the video. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech It's Simple. Everybody, right, first step you want to search for BlueStacks download. Now this is a mobile emulator, so you have to download this mobile emulator, and after downloading the mobile emulator, you can install blockchain wallet on your PC. So I'm going to do that is just source from BlueStack download. Click on where it says download BlueStacks. Once you click on it, it'll take you to its website. Click on download BlueStack 5. Once you click on it, to BlueStacks will start to download. After it downloads, you got to install it. After you install it, it's going to open up just like this. So basically this is what it's going to look like once it's open up just like this. You can click on Play Store. After a blown Play Store, you got to log into your Play Store account by typing or Gmail information. After you do that, whereas the search you want to write blockchain, while later you write blockchain wallet, you want to search for it. After you search for it, click on install. Once you click on install, your blockchain wallet should install. Now you guys can use your blockchain wallet on your PC. Because this is a mobile emulator, it acts like it's a mobile, so you can download any mobile app and mobile games, and BlueStack can play it. So that's what we are using. This is the loophole. You got to download emulator which is going to act like a mobile, and you can download it. After it downloads, you can open it and use it easily. Alright, so hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech It's Simple. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.